God damn it, Adam.
Oh, hold on. We need an intro, dog. Do you want to do an intro?
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? First video of the channel by Adam Mirza. Show him yourself, bro. Let's go. Teaching the homie Vedin, aka Vedator Muratovic, how to drive a Miata. Manual. Let's fucking get this. Alright, Adam, which way?
You're forward. What do you mean, which way?
Huh?
Which way forward?
What do you mean?
It's just a normal key, bro. You push it in and then you turn it.
I'm trying. There you go. Oh, nope.
This way, this way.
I'm trying, bro. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're having technical difficulties.
Oh, there we go. The key was locked on it. Yeah. Oh. It's because the steering wheel locks sometimes. You know how cars do that.
The key to open the door.
Yeah, you do.
Never mind. Start from right here. I got my steering wheel, boys. Go. The seat. Close this door. Seatbelt always on. Safety #1 priority. Get right into the news, mate. And put this in first. Oh, how do you drop the handle brake?
Press the button and then push it down.
There we go. I didn't stall out though. I didn't stall out.
Do you need any instructions or anything? What the hell, bro?
Idemo, brate.
Why are you going over the bump first thing? You're supposed to just drive around the... Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hey, I'm not bad. The car is moving, isn't it?
Got some second gear action.
Oh. Ready?
I'm ready, dude. Let's get you shipped in a second. Alright, don't press on the gas.
That was sick, bro. That was sick.
You can do it. Oh, first stall. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Put up the parking brake.
Huh? Okay.
Okay, and then clutch, and then put in neutral, and then turn it off. Turn it back on. Let go of it with the.
Oh, that's what the noise was?
Why are you holding it, bro?
I just thought it was the engine, bro. My bad.
I think that's a starter.
The fuck happened?
You stalled again. And also, you had the parking brake on.
Oh, okay.
Still chill. Put it back into neutral.
I got you, bro. Turn it off. Turn it on.
You don't have to hold it for that long, bro. Okay, there you go. Now go.
Put this bitch in first, and let's get it.
Oh. Brake. Put in neutral. That's 3 in a row, dude.
Hey, bro. I had a good start. I'm getting all tilted, bro.
It happens, dude. Let go of it. So first gear.
Okay. Switch to second normally. Okay. Gas.
So I'm gonna go a little slow here. And what's gonna happen is it gets really low on the revs. So I'm gonna go.
So you don't brake at all?
No.
Oh, I've been.
It's because it's just going slower. So the car starts going slower because, like, in lower gears, it isn't able to go up the hills. We're gonna try a downshift.
Downshift 2 to 1, I call it.
Special move, 2 to 1 downshift. Activate. Don't do it down. Okay. Too much.
Too much gas?
Yeah, why you put that much, dog?
I don't know, I just got horny. Try number 2.
Okay.
Take 2.
Slow. Watch out for your cup.
I was gonna hit it, bro.
Chill. What are you doing, dog? All right, if you're shifting, your clutch has to be in.
It wasn't.
No, it wasn't. Your foot was up.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
I can make sure it's again. Okay. First, cool. Remember, to go forward, which pedal is it? The clutch. There you go.
Too much gas?
Way too much, dog.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
Because it felt like I was going backwards, so I felt like.
You know how much gas you used?
How much?
Enough to start a fucking American war.
Jeez, that's a lot. That's more than Becky uses on a day.
Perfect. That was a downshift. Now you know how to overtake people in Yugos.
Oh, just stay away until I fucking get a BMW over there and I start. But I don't think I'll be able to drive my car after this. Honestly,
It's too much fun, dude.
I don't think I'll be able to.
Second gear.
I don't think I'll be able to drive my Rogue, bro.
Why? Because this one's so much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hella interactive, bro. This is why Shemi likes his car.
Is this how you feel when you go from the Miata to the BMW?
Nah, dude, the BMW actually feels nice, though.
Yeah, I mean, it's a BMW, obviously.
I mean, it made Hada want to get a BMW over an STI.
That's true.
Hada, of all people. Explain to why that's a big thing to the viewers, though.
So Hada has horny tendencies towards certain cars, and one of those being too much gas and into neutral for some reason. Okay, interesting.
Clutch to go forward.
Yeah. So yeah, Hada has horny tendencies when it comes to certain cars. The STI is like the biggest one. You know, his cousin has one, so he wants one, and then.
But I mean, even before his cousin had one, he was digging that.
Hey, they're
Like
clean
hard.
cars, but you can't blame them.
Honestly, that new Magnaflow exhaust that's coming out, you heard that,
I
right?
don't know what that is, but yes, it's
The one that we showed you on the video the other day.
Oh yeah, but the one that made the guy cry.
Yeah, that's the
Yo,
one.
what's your vibe, bro? You know what? He's a loser because he drives an automatic.
You drive an automatic, dog.
I don't want to drive an automatic. My dad forced me to.
Drive around to the cup.
God damn it, the cup can come to us, bro. I could have just gone through that bitch, but it's okay because you want to stop at an intersection, right, Adam? You don't just blow through it.
No, you don't blow through it.
But I didn't even go to neutral, bro. I'm just filthy. 12 inches within the cup. Oh!
How close did you get, actually? I want to see. Opa! Hey, you want to do a Mellow photo shoot first?
I'm done. San Andreas, bro.
You didn't close the door.
What up? I got a big truck.
Alright, Andy, final verdict. How was it today?
It went a lot better, honestly, than I thought it would. Like, I was talking a lot at first, but I knew how to drive. Like, it's been a couple years, so it was like, what if they think I was just talking shit, bro? But
Nah,
it
you know
went
how to
well,
do it,
bro.
He knows how to do it. You're chilling, dude.
8 out of 10 for
Eight
today.
out-
8 out of 10.
Why 8?
Because like I stalled out a few times. It took me a little bit to learn how to go uphill without revving too much. It could have been better, but 8 out of 10.
You slam on that gas, bro.
I got a B, bro. B.
B? Alright, B plus I'd say, like 8.5, 8.9.
Respect. Thank you.
Alright, sick. You want to do an
Miata
outro?
overall clean ricer machine, bro. No cap. Like, bro, even some 80-year-old granny was hitting on us, bro, because we had a clean ass car, bro. Like, I'm not even joking, bro. Hey, small doesn't always mean bad. For all my 4-inch friends out there. Peace out, guys. Comment else with the intro. Ba-ba-bam. Let's go.